the last, thank you. MEC, this is a very special category which I'm just about to announce. The class of 2023. MEC, these learners whom we are recognizing and celebrating today, we took from the pool. When the MEC went from Jan 1 to 120, we said we are not going to repeat, we are not going to dip again. We are not going to take the same manual. And then MEC, we also took learners who did very well, but who were not at the provincial well done function to recognize them in the district. And they did very well, MEC. They did very well. I think if it's possible, if you can show their performance here. If you can just show their results. If you can show their results. One is from Siemahali and Mashibini from Siemahali. Smith from Orange Macy School. Yes. Count that Mashibini as well. Yes. The deputy director or care. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. From Siemahali. Is it possible to show their results? Yes, we'll show their results. They did very well. Then the second one is M. Smith from Orange Macy. And then some of them, MEC, have already gone to universities. The deputy principal will come and take the goodies for them. The third one is A.K. Brown from UNICI. A.K. Brown from UNICI. If he's not here, they may already be at universities. You can see their results there. You can see their results. Okay, yes, the principal will come to take it, to take the goodies. The fourth one is M. Kotze from Jim Foshier. If he's not here, he's already at university, please, the school should come and take it. You can see, and then MEC their performance. And then the fifth one is T. Rabanye from Kopanong. From Kopanong. From Kopanong, yes, he's here. Okay, let's show him his results, please. Let us show Rabanye's results from Kopanong. MEC, look at accounting, 92%. Look at business, 92%. Look at tourism, 92%. Yes. Then the sixth one is Ntobela from Lifikeng. Ntobela from Lifikeng. The school can come and take it. Oh, she's here. She's here. Let me see, look at the results. Accounting, 97%. 97%. Life sciences, 89%. Yes, maths, 87%. Yes. Yes, girl. Yes, girl. Yes, girl. The seventh one is K. Kokwana. K. Kokwana from Bloemfontein Secondary School. Is he or she here? Oh, okay, yes. Yes. Look at physics, MEC. 90% physics. 90% physics. Look at maths, 88%. Mekolan, look at consumer studies, 84%. Yes. Doing very well. Right? The eighth one is M. Van Veek from Jim Foshier. Yes. the school will take it. Please, these goodies must reach their rightful recipients. Okay, and then the last one is C. Foster from Fichard Park Secondary School. C. Foster, the school can also come and pick it up. C. Foster, thank you very much. MEC, these are the representative of the class of 2023 who did very well, who were not at the provincial well done function. But when you look at their performance, maths 90%, physics 99%, really they deserve a big round of applause. And then we must thank the Standard Bank MEC for them, because they will be receiving a laptop each, a hamper from Macmillan, and a goodie bag from Canon. Thank you very much, partners, for making sure that our learners are rewarded for their hard work. Thank you. MEC, this is the last category. The last category. MEC, I think you have done very well, because our target time was 2:05 or so, but look where we are. This is the last category. MEC, this is the category whereby we identify dedication.